Hello, this is John Piper with the Tuesday video, and it's Tuesday the 2nd of May. Start with the DAX today, which is still has this quite interesting pattern. We have the low there. I count this as a 1, 2 in some way, 3 to there. Rather extended fourth wave with a low here. And let's now go to a shorter term chart. This is the 30-minute chart. We go down to a 5-minute chart. It's a little bit choppy and messy. The low came in here. It could be a 1, well, it's an ABC. It could be some kind of 2. Some kind of 3 maybe, a 4, but then we've got sort of rising wedge type pattern, so we've got a wedge like this, I suppose. So this could be the fourth wave and the fifth wave now trundling in. I've been looking for a move above 12.5. We saw a high at 12.496 on this particular chart. So many different charts these days, or different highs and lows, but I would think one burst above 12.5 might see this this as some kind of termination move. But the pattern is very unclear, which it could mean various things. I mean, often, or sometimes at least, a major peak can be rather erratic as the negative forces build up and overwhelm the positive forces. But right now, I think we're probably going to see one more high before the peak is in. All right, on to FTSE. We saw the peak here, 5 waves down. I think at this point you must count that as an A wave, B wave and a C wave. This would be 1 of a new impulsive move. This could be 2, so it could be the start of 3. I can't say I'm too sure about this particular pattern. We aren't seeing exactly very dynamic moves, especially on the DAX, which just had a look at. And this would count quite well as a major peak. And having said that, right now we're not seeing the kind of action we'd expect following a third wave low. I mean, it could be a 1-2, but for now, unless you see something different, I would look at the upside. Any break below 7.2 would question that count. The Dow is still similar to the DAX. 1, 2, 3. Some kind of fourth wave, could be a low here. So still reason to expect some kind of move up, but again, it's not really happening, so that does raise a few question marks. But right now, the best favourite counts look like more upside. Right, a quick look at the Nasdaq 100 way of comparison. Let's see, we had the peak around the turn of the millennium back there. 5 waves down, it looked like. Then an A, B. You can get this as a 1 major correction there. 3 to there, major correction here. And I suppose this, well, depends where you start it from really, but certainly it seems to be getting to a point. And there certainly is the fifth wave, I would say. Just a question of when it might actually terminate. Certainly as far as real value is concerned, with inflation, etc., the peak here is lower than the peak here. So it could be a corrective move, but irregular because of the inflationary effect of what's going on. Well, looking at the daily chart, this would be maybe the bottom of that wave 4. So we got a 1, ABC 2, 3, ABC 4. That could be a 1, 2, of course, followed by a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So some kind of fifth wave certainly due, but it could, fifth wave peak certainly due, but it could be that a fourth wave is coming in, depends how you count this lot. Let's go down a little. Okay, well, not the easiest count in the world. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, I guess. 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So there could be another 4, 5. We should complete that, I guess. I mean, there's so many different waves there that it's could get lost. But certainly another move up on the Dow, which does look due, and on the DAX, which also looks due, could mean we've got a few more highs to come before this is all over. Alright, finally look at gold today. We now have the market testing the 200 moving average approximately. We have an A, B, C, followed by a B, then a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5-part 5 wave. Not the greatest 5 wave count. I mean, obviously the third wave is quite short. In fact, I think it's the shortest, which it shouldn't be. But it could be a triple zigzag, I suppose. Let's just do an alternative look at that. ABC, 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 ABC. But the fact that it's on that moving average is quite important. I'd like to see GDX rally, which is quite important as well. And we need to see the minor moving up in concert with gold. Let's just go down a leg. This is the hourly chart. Well, the 5-minute chart shows the something a third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. However, this move so far is fairly short in the tooth and really not too much to go on, but there is some hope there, but I would like to wait more development, as you might appreciate. Right, one quick service announcement. The WhatsApp room continues to thrive. A point has been made that as there's quite a lot of action in the room, actual trading announcements might get lost. I'm therefore thinking, and also there are a few people who actually continue to want SMS alerts. I'm investigating push notifications which go direct to your computer as an alternative. Any feedback on that would be useful. But I might reintroduce the SMS alerts, those who want them, but I need you to tell me if that's the case. So if you want SMS or push alerts as an alternative, then please drop me an email or send me a WhatsApp. Right, great. Well, thanks for I hope you found it useful. Back to the report on Thursday morning. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.